Monday.com column sum labeling tutorial. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video I'm going to show you how simple and easy it is to add the labeling or the column of the sum into your Monday dashboard or your board. Basically it is going to be on a board, not a dashboard. So the process is going to be very easy and simple. We're going to head over monday.com, sign in for an account, and as you can see, we're going to be on this specific workspace. So once we have the workspace here, we're going to have the, let's say here, the specific board. We are going to select it, and we're going to head over the board itself and add a column. So for the column, we're going to have a sum column. And this sum is going to be on a specific formula. So you can go ahead and use formula or you can use numbers. So in the sums, we can use numbers. It is going to be the best one here. So I click on number and as you can see, automatically it is going to set up the sum. So this is going to be a calculation. You can set up the unit and also the calculation. Now, as you can see, we are on the numbers. So we click on the sum and we can go ahead and choose, for example, average, median, minimum, max, count, and etc. I click on sum and it is going to be here. So all I need to do is to set up, for example, the unit. I can go ahead and choose my own unit and set, or for example, set the dollars or the pound percentage or whatever. So I'm going to put a sum for a let's say currency or a dollar. So let's say that here this task is going to cost me $100. This one is going to be $250 and this is going to be $380. So the sum is going to be calculated right here. Since I have added the number column here, it is going to be set up and ready. Now what we're going to do next is going to be adding maybe another number column, and we're going to use maybe the sum, for example, of a percentage, just like that. For example, this one is going to be 20%, for example, let's say 20% processing. This is going to be 30 and this is going to be 12 maybe, and it is going to be a sum right there. So for the labeling, we can go ahead and click on numbers, and then we're going to have, for example, the budget, maybe. And here, we're going to put here the process. For example, I can go ahead and have here a progress, for example. And we're going to have it just like that. So that was all for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content, and I hope to see you in the next one.